Before starting this video, I want to deliver a good news to you, and the good news is that I have recently published my new poetry book, December Poems by a Teen, and the book is available on Amazon, Flipkart and also Notion Press Store, both in paperback and ebook versions. So check it out, and all links are provided in the description below. Thank you. He is an Indian author who needs no introduction, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the life and works of Khushwant Singh. We'll talk about his personal life, professional life, famous works, awards and rewards, and many more. You just watch the full video and it will give you enough information. So now let's make English straightforward. Khushwant Singh was born on 2nd February 1915 in Haladi, Pakistan. His father was Sir Sobha Singh and mother was Lady Varian Kaur. Khushwant Singh's original name was Kaushal Singh, but later he chose Khushwant Singh to rhyme with his brother's name Bhagwant. Khushwant Singh studied in Delhi Modern School from 1920 to 1930. He then studied at St. Stephen's College from 1930 to 1932. Then he went to Government College Lahore in 1932 and got the BA degree in 1934. Khushwant Singh then moved to London in order to pursue law degree. In 1938, he achieved his LLB from the University of London. When Khushwant Singh was studying law at King's College London, he met with his childhood friend Kanwal Malik, and they soon got married. They had one son, Rahul Singh, and a daughter, Mala. Now we can talk about Khushwant Singh's working career. So because he had a LLB degree, he started his career as a lawyer at Lahore High Court from 1939 till 1947. In 1947, when India became independent, Khushwant started to serve as a diplomat in the Indian Foreign Services. After 3 to 4 years, during 1951, Khushwant started an eminent career as journalist with All India Radio. He also worked in the Department of Mass Communication of the UNESCO at Paris from 1954 till 1956. During 1951 to 1953, Khushwant Singh was the founder and editor of Yojana, which was an Indian government journal. He also worked for the Illustrated Weekly of India, the National Herald, and Hindustan Times. Khushwant Singh was a huge personality. His working career was so very important, but his literary career is also very important. That is why we know him as an author. Now let's have a look into Khushwant Singh's literary works. Khushwant Singh wrote both fiction and non-fiction. Khushwant Singh's most prominent and world-recognized work is Train to Pakistan, which was first published in 1956. This book basically deals with India-Pakistan partition and the post-partition situations of the two countries. Prior to that, he had already published The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories in 1950 and The History of Sikhs in 1953. Then he published The Voice of God and Other Stories in 1957 and I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale in 1959. Khushwant Singh's one other major work is Why I Supported the Emergency, published in 2004. Another great novel was Delhi, published back in 1990. He wrote many other books, novels, short stories. Some of them are We Indians, Women and Men in My Life, India, An Introduction, The Company of Women, Truth, Love and a Little Malice, The End of India, The Sunset Club, Sex, Scotch and Scholarship, and many more. The Good, the Bad and the Ridiculous was his last work, which was co-authored by Wamra Qureshi. His famous short stories are The Portrait of a Lady, The Strain, Success Mantra, Karma, and others. Khushwant Singh died on 20th March 2014 at the age of 99. During his lifetime, Khushwant Singh achieved many appreciation, supports, and many honors and rewards. He got the Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India in 1974. In 2006, Punjab Ratna Award by the Government of Punjab. Khushwant Singh received the Padma Vibhushan in 2007. He also got the Grove Press Award and many more. So Khushwant Singh was one of the most contributing authors of India, and his works will remain best forever in future. So that's it for today's video. We hope that the video was helpful. Leave a comment below and subscribe the channel for more exclusive contents like that. But for now, tell me goodbye. We will be meeting on another Slideshow English video.